So, once you've decluttered, sorted, and contained your items and given them a home, you can label your containers. The reason why this is good is because it will remind you where things are to help you keep up the organization, and it will let everyone else who has anything to do with your household know precisely where to find things and where to put them back. It does not mean that you should label everything in your home. It just means you'll be making it easier for everyone else. That's also an easy way to teach your children how to read as well. Before I go any further, beloved, I need you to tap on that subscribe button because it would help me so much to grow this channel and keep coming back with valuable content to help you make, master, and maintain your happy holistic home. Share this channel with your friends and family because they too deserve to have a happy home. Thank you. Try to pay attention to areas where different items share a designated spot, because these areas tend to get very messy, very disorganized easily. That's where people just come and dump everything. Let's take the area where you keep your toiletries, for example. Let's just say you walked into the door with some bought toiletries, and if you don't clearly state where you want your cotton buds, your toilet paper, the tissues, maybe some extra shower gel are supposed to be placed, your kids who want to help you with some house chores will probably put these items where there is free space on the shelf somewhere and just dump them somewhere, and that in turn will make it more difficult for anyone to find anything. So labeling helps you reduce the work for the brain. It saves a lot of time. Your children and other people who come into your home will know where to place items, and every time you go and get something from a shelf, you will know exactly where to look. Focus on the areas where clutter likes to collect. Clutter attracts clutter. So look around your home and identify those areas that tend to get messy very quickly, repeatedly, no matter how often you tidy them up. Open surfaces like your entrance table, your bedroom side table, kitchen counters and dining room tables, they attract clutter fast, which is one good reason to make cleaning all flat surfaces part of your nightly routine, I would say, because if you keep ignoring it, it will only get worse. I've noticed that at home. If one person places something somewhere, the others come and start dumping it on top of there. Think of small changes you can make to stop the cycle from repeating itself in these areas. For example, one thing that you can do is you can make it harder for you, yourself, and your family members to do the wrong thing by intentionally placing items like decor or flowers or a lamp, a tablecloth or something to cover these spaces to alert that these areas are not dumping zones. Because once they see something intentional, something that's intentionally placed in these areas, People become more cautious and they're more careful what they put next to it or in that area. Always have a giveaway or a let go of bin ready. Somewhere in your home where it is not inconveniencing you or anywhere else, where your family could just put the items they no longer have use for. It could be a simple shopping bag or I don't know, a box in the closet, in the basement, the mudroom, or anywhere out of the way. Whenever this container gets full, you can decide what to do with the items. Either you give them away, you sell them, or you trade them, or just to prevent the buildup of unused items that could be more valued somewhere else. Last but not least, be mindful about what items you bring into your home. Pay attention to your buying habits. Just because something is on sale does not mean you have to buy it. And just because your favorite YouTuber has a special blender or, I don't know, some kind of machine does not mean you have to own one too. Also know that you don't need to say yes to everything that's free. Remember, you need to be able to store your items. So consider your space before accepting hand-me-downs, before shopping sprees, especially when things are on sale. We all know that, right? Well, those are the tips that I have for you to be able to tackle your organizing and decluttering process. I hope they help you to get to the space where you really, really want to be. I hope you find some of these tips, if not all of them, useful. If you're not able to implement all of them, it is absolutely fine, but do your best to listen to them again and understand and know how you can incorporate them in your lifestyle. Bring them into your routines to make your home an easy home to maintain. Thanks for watching, and remember, an organized home is a happy home. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.